Now, here's a stat that most business owners aren't aware of. Did you know that 85% of businesses use video as a marketing tool? According to Wyzowl, video is becoming an increasingly popular medium for businesses of all sizes. But why is video so important in today's digital landscape? So through the eyes of a business owner trying to figure out how to use video in their business, you might be wondering if it's worth the investment. But with so many businesses already using video, it's clear it's a proven and effective way to reach your target audience. So whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, boost sales, video can help you achieve your goals. By tapping into the power of video, you can engage with your audience in a way that text and images just simply can't. Videos can tell a story, evoke emotions, showcase your products and services in action. So if you're not already using video in your marketing strategy, now is the time to start. Don't get left behind in a video marketing revolution. Now, if you'd like to start leveraging the power of video, then one of the best places is to make Expertgrams that position you as the expert in the industry. For more information on Expertgrams and how they can build your brand, website conversions, reach more customers, visit bit.ly/Expertgram. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.